Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Guthrie from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm showing you how to make a no-bake paleo cheesecake recipe that is dairy-free, grain-free, and with no added refined sugar.
Say what?
Yes, we're using honeys and dates to naturally sweeten this paleo cheesecake. Plus, the main ingredient in the filling is not dairy, it's cashews.
Say what?
This healthy paleo lemon cheesecake recipe is so simple to make and tastes just like the real thing, except we're using all natural and whole food ingredients. So let's jump into this simple paleo lemon cheesecake recipe. So before making the recipe, add the cashews to a bowl, cover them with water, then allow them to soak in the fridge overnight. Next, spray a 9-inch pie pan with coconut oil spray. To make the cheesecake crust in a food processor or a high-powered blender, add the pecans, the dates, the sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Blend for 1 minute or until the mixture is the consistency of a cookie dough. Add the mixture to the 9-inch pie pan and press it into the pan to form the cheesecake crust. Place the cashews in a strainer to drain the water, then rinse under the tap. To make the cheesecake filling, add the cashews, coconut oil, almond milk, honey, sea salt, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and the lemon zest to the food processor. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. In the pie pan, pour the cheesecake filling over the crust, then cover the pan and place it in the fridge. I allowed it to set overnight, but if you're preparing it in the morning, give it at least 4 hours to set. Slice it into 16 pieces and enjoy. So guys, the nutrition info per slice, which is based on 16 slices, is 324 calories, 4 grams of protein, 23 grams of carbohydrates, and 24 grams of fat. So Live Lean Nation, this is just another example of when you follow healthy recipes, you can still eat all your favorite foods, including lemon cheesecake, guilt-free. But hold up, just because we used healthy ingredients to make this paleo cheesecake recipe, you still need to take into account the calories. So since this paleo cheesecake recipe is high in hunger-crushing healthy fats, all you need is a small sliver to fulfill your cravings, since this paleo cheesecake recipe is very rich. And another option to reduce the calories from the carbohydrates and the fats is by ditching the pecan and date crust. You don't necessarily need it. Just simply follow the instructions on making the paleo cheesecake filling, then add it to a bowl and enjoy. It's still super delicious, tastes just like cheesecake with less calories. So I hopefully you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you did, go follow my personal Instagram account at Brad Guthrie. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, because I'm planning on bringing back hashtag 60-minute swag, where I give away free programs, coaching calls, LiveLeanTV merch, and more. So what I typically do is I select a winner who comments on my Instagram posts when I use the hashtag 60-minute swag. It's a lot of fun. We did it last year, and it's a great way to interact with you guys. So let's go hang out on Instagram at Brad Guthrie for your chance to win some cool stuff and hang out with me. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep living lean.